If you've studied in the Manipal Engineering College in the 90s, then you've probably eaten Motta Special, a warm, gooey egg curry into which you dip buttered bread toasted to perfection. Hi, welcome to the channel with me Pallavi. Let's prepare Manipal's Motta Special curry today. I'm going to use 5 eggs, 2 medium-sized onions chopped and 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped. Let's take a broad pan and heat 2 tablespoons of oil in it. We'll now add our chopped onions. We'll saute the onions until they are golden and soft. Once the onions are golden and soft, we'll add the chopped tomatoes and saute it well again. I'll add about half a teaspoon of salt so the tomatoes cook well. We'll now cover the pan and cook it on a medium flame for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of red chili powder and mix it all again for about a minute. See, the tomatoes are soft and mushy and cooked now. We'll now add 1 cup of water to this. Mix it all well and give it a good boil. Once the mix is boiling, we'll reduce the flame to low and we'll add half a cup of milk. To this, we'll then add the 5 eggs that we've beaten up. On a low flame, let's keep stirring the mixture. Stir the mixture until all the egg whites are perfectly cooked. Keep stirring from the bottom of the pan. I'll add another teaspoon of salt now, and our Motta Special is ready to dish out. Serve warm Motta Special with buttered bread. Enjoy hot Motta Special with warm toasted and buttered bread for a healthy breakfast or as a snack.